Welcome to Floor Land, Dubai's premier destination for top-quality flooring solutions. Today, we're diving into the different types of vinyl flooring available and helping you figure out which one is best suited for your Dubai home. Whether you're after durability, style, or easy maintenance, vinyl flooring has something for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Luxury Vinyl Plank, LVP. Best for a natural look. Luxury Vinyl Plank, LVP, is a great alternative to natural wood, offering the same look with the added benefit of moisture resistance. It's perfect for Dubai homes, as it's low maintenance and ideal for the UAE's humid climate. 2. Luxury Vinyl Tile, LVT. Perfect for high-traffic areas. Luxury Vinyl Tile, LVT, is ideal for high-traffic areas like kitchens and living rooms. It mimics stone or ceramic tile but is softer underfoot and easier to install. Durable and water-resistant, LVT is a great option for Dubai homes. 3. Sheet Vinyl. A cost-effective option. Sheet vinyl is an affordable and durable flooring option, ideal for areas like bathrooms and laundry rooms. It comes in large, continuous sheets, offering excellent water resistance. The seamless design ensures easy cleaning, making it a great choice for busy Dubai households. 4. Rigid Core Vinyl. For maximum durability. For those looking for something incredibly sturdy and long-lasting, rigid core vinyl flooring is the answer. Perfect for homes with kids, pets, or heavy furniture. 5. Vinyl Composition Tile, VCT. Great for large spaces. Vinyl composition tile VC is commonly used in commercial settings but can also be a great choice for large homes or open spaces. It's budget-friendly, easy to maintain, and available in a variety of patterns. Why choose Floor Land? At floorland.ae, we offer top-notch vinyl flooring options with expert installation and consultation services. Our seamless process ensures everything from selection to installation is hassle-free. With competitive pricing and exceptional customer service, we guarantee the best flooring solutions in Dubai. Where to shop flooring in Dubai? Now, if you're wondering where to shop for the best vinyl flooring options in Dubai, look no further than floorland.ae. We offer a wide range of vinyl flooring options from LVP to sheet vinyl, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home. Visit our website or our showroom for personalized consultation and let our experts guide you through the process. That's it for today's guide on the different types of vinyl flooring for your Dubai home. No matter what style or functionality you're after, vinyl flooring is a versatile and durable option for any space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.